Hello and welcome to this week's thrilling recap of the stock market's performance. This week from April 29th to May 3rd, 2024 was quite a spectacle. It was a tale of anticipation mingled with cautious optimism. Remember, data presented here is purely informational. This does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. The week started on a somewhat of a gloomy tone, characterized by a subtle slide in key market indices such as the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. This drop, although not alarming, was noticeable. Financial pundits have been quick to provide possible explanations. The most prominent among these theories was a wave of profit-taking by investors. Capitalizing on a bullish earnings season that exceeded expectations, investors, it seems, decided to lock in their gains, causing a slight market adjustment. Analysts suggested this drop could be attributed to investors cashing in on profits after a strong earnings season. The star of the show this week, Amazon, undoubtedly seized the title for the most talked about stock. This isn't just a plain statement, but a chronicle of the roller coaster ride that Amazon's stock price took us on this week. During the hustle and bustle of the regular trading hours on Tuesday, the entire stock market universe was shaken by an unexpected event. Amazon, the e-commerce behemoth, watched its stock price nosedive, diminishing by more than 3%. This dive ignited quite a buzz amidst investors and market spectators. But wait, the tale doesn't conclude there. As the curtain fell on regular trading hours and the stage for after-hours trading was set, Amazon's took an astonishing U-turn. It didn't just reclaim the lost territory, but ascended almost 3%, leaving many dumbfounded. This unforeseen rally could be hinting at investor optimism, perhaps spurred by the expectation of thrilling new product launches or other positive company advancements. Intriguing, isn't it? Mid-week, the spotlight moved to the Federal Reserve meeting. The atmosphere was thick with anticipation. Everyone focused intently on the event. Investors, economists, even everyday people watched with bated breath, their eyes fixed on the news channels, eager to hear from Chair Jerome Powell. The burning question was, would there be a change in the interest rate? Would the economy see a shift impacting investments, savings, financial security? Powell's comments were eagerly awaited. They had potential to either soothe concerns or sound alarming. His words held tremendous weight, but the power to sway the economy's course. Everyone listened attentively to each word, each clue about future interest rate decisions. In the midst of the uncertainty surrounding the Federal Reserve's stance, gold prices saw a modest increase. Amid the unpredictability, gold seems to shine brighter, standing strong as a beacon for those searching for stability in the turbulent financial tides. This precious metal, often regarded as a dependable reserve during unsettling market periods, has a way of drawing in investors. It's not just its intrinsic value that appeals, but also the perceived security it offers against risks prevalent in other market sectors. Gold, often seen as a safe haven asset during turbulent market times, attracts investors who perceive risk in other market areas. The week concluded on a somewhat uneventful note, with investors mulling over the Federal Reserve's decision to maintain the current interest rates. The Federal Reserve, being a key player in the U.S. financial structure, has a substantial impact on the stock market through its interest rate decisions, influencing investor psychology and decision-making frameworks. Powell's slightly hawkish message hinted at potential future rate hikes. This news, however, was absorbed by the market with a certain level of calm, reflecting the extent to which investors had anticipated this outcome. Normally, such important financial news has broad implications, but this time the market's reaction was one of balance and moderation. The past week was one of discretion, absent any significant upheavals or surprises. It was a period that allowed us to step back examine the current situation, and reassess our investment strategies. During these times, the importance of individual research should not be underestimated. After all, it's your most powerful weapon for making well-informed investment choices. Remain vigilant for forthcoming announcements. If you found this video informative, don't pass up the chance to learn more by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more market insights and updates. As we conclude this session, a heartfelt thank you for accompanying me, and until we meet again, keep those portfolios healthy.